Um, this is where we really started to get stuck into what was a massively overgrown garden. And we found this little path coming through here. It winds around. You couldn't walk through here before, as you'll see a little later on. It was just so overgrown. We found these ferns down the back, and as I said, this lovely little path that winds through here up to this point. Now from here on, you couldn't move, you couldn't get into the garden. It was so overgrown. There's some little steps here, and this little path, which we're currently now clearing all the way through, winds around. Here's one of my dogs. Comes around through here. We haven't cleaned it obviously yet, but we also found this path winding up through here, which again we haven't finished cleaning up yet, which you'll see the growth on it. And so this winds around, and then on Friday we found another path going up through there. So that one's as you'll see, still badly overgrown, right through there. There's the steps winding up, and there's the overgrowth that you can see in there. It's a beautiful paper bark in there that we found. We had to cut trees and shrubs and bits and pieces out of there. Another little path winds down through there, links up with that one near the tree ferns, and then this comes around here. And we've found this one, another path. Obviously we haven't done much clearing in there yet, but you can just see the border coming out. It winds right around. All this has got to be cut out yet, but down the end there's another path, which I'll go to now. I'll give you an idea of how overgrown it is. Some of this will keep, and some of it we'll have to just cut back and destroy, unfortunately, but it's just so badly overgrown. This area here is fairly typical of what we have been cutting through and working through. As you can see, it's pretty wild. So that path I pointed out before is down in there. So it winds around through here and links up there all the way through, and there's another path goes down, winds around through there, and we suspect it ends up back with that path we found on Friday. It looks like it winds right through here as well, but again we won't know until we cut all this stuff back. There's a lovely camellia growing in there. There's a native there which we'll keep. There's a tree fern there. There's a beautiful birch tree there that is swamped. And it's just the privet is killing everything. So we've got to cut it back and try and rescue what we can. Looks like a flowering gum in the back there somewhere. But look, that's a little snapshot of what's here. There's still a lot of work to do, but we're getting there.